So how many of you have your LinkedIn account? Type it down L in the chat box. Great. Thank you for your response. I welcome each and everyone to Success Community Meetup. So my name is Farhin Shaik. I'm from Baroda, Gujarat. I'm a faculty member and a fashion designer. I'm a diamond member at CI. I thank Ketan sir and community for giving me this opportunity. So I was a very shy girl. I was not knowing how to express my feelings, and things are in my mind, but I cannot put in, like I cannot express it. So I was very shy before joining CI. So I have the fear of public speaking, fear of judgment. How many of you have that fear of public speaking? Type it down P in the chat box. Great, thank you. So after joining CI, I did 20 plus connection with in the CI community with different types of community members. These are the glimpse of my communication. I did one-to-one, I did group communication, round robin, and everything. These are beautiful memories I'm making it. Then here is the picture. After joining CI, I also did one project like a small video, like a small advertising video. I did many events, and I'm like now I am like I am starting public speaking. Before CI, I was having that fear of speaking, but now it's happening with me. So what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social network platform. So this is my journey. When I started my LinkedIn account, I faced this problem. My account was restricted, and I did not have any knowledge of LinkedIn because I was the first user. First time I was starting my journey in LinkedIn, so I was facing this. And how many of you face this problem? Type it down F in the chat box. So the 5 reasons to start LinkedIn account was professional network, job opportunities, show commitment to my career, building a personal brand, opening doors to international opportunities. 5 challenges that I faced when I started my LinkedIn account. First is building a strong network from the scratch. Consistency in posting and engaging. Not knowing who to follow or connect with. Fourth, understanding LinkedIn features. Fifth, fear of beginner. How many of you face this fear of beginner? Type it down F in the chat box. Thank you for your response. So the 5 goals I set for my LinkedIn journey was building a strong personal brand. Second, discovering opportunities and collaboration. Third, inspiring and educate through my content. Fourth, find a mentor and coach in my profession. Fifth, building trust and community. So what I did to start my LinkedIn profile? First, I create my profile photo and cover image using Canva. Second, I wrote my LinkedIn bio using the LinkedIn seed code. Third, I started connecting with people in my field. Fourth, I started through my gallery, picked a photo, and wrote first LinkedIn post. As you can see over the screen, this is my first LinkedIn post. Fifth, I post 2 to 3 times per week, and I have scheduled my LinkedIn post. As you can see in the screen, I have scheduled my LinkedIn post. So, starting LinkedIn post. So, I was not having any knowledge of LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn? I even don't know about it. From starting zero to crossing 100 first connection. So, right now I'm in growth zone. I completed 100 plus connections in LinkedIn. So, 0 to 100 is your seed code. 100 to 1000 is your growth zone, and 1000 to 3000 is your influencing growth, and 3000 plus is your professional growth. So after joining CI, even started my 7 days LinkedIn post challenges. I did 7 posts in 1 week. So I was recognized for the community voice challenge. These are my first, second, and third posts, which I started from zero. So the lesson is focus, decision plus commitment will lead you to the success. Thank you.